Okay, welcome back to another video how to do it. In this video we're going to show you how to downgrade the Nvidia drivers if you have a GTX 1080 Ti or 10 series video card. I know that the new drivers for 16 maybe I have an issue with that, or the performance is not the same like before. How you downgrade to the 399.24, which is one of the best drivers that was working perfect with the 10 series card, right? So let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is we're gonna go to control panel. We're gonna go uninstall. Look for the Nvidia drivers, and the one that we're looking for is the one that said for Nvidia graphic driver 416 or whatever you have here, 0.34. So we're gonna click on that, and we're gonna uninstall the driver. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm gonna install the driver. After you do that, the only thing you need to do is go to download the drivers, the 399 driver, for example. Okay, after you do that, you uninstall the Nvidia drivers. You have to download the driver that you need. You can type it on Google. I also will put the link with the Nvidia driver 399.24 in case you need it. You go to download for it, and you select the driver that you want to install. You just run it, and that's it. Nvidia driver will be installed in your computer. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment below. I will answer, and I see you on the next video of how to do it.